Hi, I'm Lydia Deetz, and I am alone. I am utterly alone. Live people ignore the strange and unusual. I myself am strange and unusual. My whole life is a dark room. One big dark room. Hey my beautiful shining stars, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this Lydia Deetz wedding glam inspired look. Alright, I'm going to prep and prime my face using Laura Geller's Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer. This is going to help things go on smoothly, last longer, and look more even. Then I'm going to apply some foundation using a damp beauty blender. I am using my Dior Forever Skin Glow in 25N. Lydia is quite pale, so I'm using a couple shades lighter than my natural skin tone. Then I'm going to contour with this contouring stick from Rare Beauty, which blends in quite nicely. And with a small brush, I'm going to use that same product and contour my nose. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using this concealer from Dose of Color in 02. And just blending everything in with that beauty blender. Now taking this gorgeous Ace Beauty Mystic Romance eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking these shadows to create the look. Starting off with that pretty red, we're going to apply it all over my lid. Then I'm going to start blending it into my crease area and taking it and blending right underneath my eyes. Kind of like in a round circle shape. Next, I'm going to go over it with this red shadow from MAC and Ready. This is just very nice and vibrant. Going back to the palette, I'm going to grab that rich chocolatey brown, and I'm going to work it right into that crease for some depth and dimension. Using this Wet n Wild multi-stick and shimmer, I'm going to apply it to my waterline just to make my eyes appear bigger and larger. When I think of Tim Burton characters, I think of large round eyes. So to add to that, I'm going to line my upper and lower lash line to really make my eyes pop with this black liner from L'Oreal. If you're not a part of the beautiful Shining Star family, we would love to have you. So please go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more of this. Time to curl them lashes for some lift. Then I'm going to use my trusty L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, just starting at the base of my lashes and wiggling upwards. Taking these really long dramatic lashes that I also used for my Beetlejuice tutorial, I'm going to use them in this look because when I think of Tim Burton's characters who I love, like Emily and Sally, they have these long dramatic lashes, and I know that Lydia doesn't necessarily have these in the movie, but this is like an inspired dramatic look, so that's what we're going to do.
Perfect.
Well, bam! Bat those beautiful eyes. Now I'm going to go over the lashes just to kind of blend everything in with my NYX Epic Liner in black. Coffee break! Coffee. Now I'm just going to shape and define my eyebrows using L'Oreal's Brow Stylist in dark brunette. For blush, I'm going to use my Too Faced Tutti Frutti Blush Duo, which smells amazing. Gotta love Too Faced, guys. Now taking this pressed powder from Makeup Forever, I'm just going to apply it all over the T-zone and just around my face. I definitely want a more matte look versus a more shiny look. For my lips, I'm using this skinny lip liner from NYX in Espresso. That me espresso. Then I'm going to fill it in using my Lawless lip liner in True Love. And then I'm going to take this lip mousse in Amplify from Urban Decay. And using my fingers, I'm just going to pat that on to my lips. And And then for some sparkle and shine, because you know I can't get in a tutorial without that sparkle and shine, baby. We're using some red glitter and applying it all over the lips for a more glammed out look. Mwah! And lock everything down with some One Size Beauty setting spray. And there is my Lydia Deetz inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, you could also check out my Beetlejuice inspired look here on my channel. I'm Lydia Deetz and I'm of sound mind. The man next to me is the one I want. You ask me, I'm answering yes. I love that man of mine. Let me know in the comment section below what character you would like to see next. And remember, you are beautiful, baby, so shine like a star.